Let's see how to disable the mini toolbar from popping up when you're highlighting text in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open our Microsoft Word. And as you can see here, we have our document ready. Now, as you can see, whenever I highlight a particular section of text, you'll notice that this toolbar up here pops out, which contains useful tools for editing your text quickly. Now, for some of you who don't want this toolbar or want to disable this feature, you can go into the File tab, click on Options. Now here, under General Options, you'll see the option to show or hide the mini toolbar on selection. Now go ahead and uncheck that box. Now click OK. Now you'll notice that whenever we highlight text, the mini toolbar no longer pops out. And that is how you disable the mini toolbar from showing up in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.